Okay, I just made a haul video the other day saying that, oh yeah, this took over time and whatever, and I didn't think I was going to be shopping again, but I have issues, so I am. This is a huge 18 by 18 inch page album from Martha Stewart. It's like a light blue. I don't know if the color's reading well. But what I think I'm going to try to do is make the pages and post them. Post my, kind of put my stamps in here. I think it's really, my stamps are like really big. So this is like, looks like the old school scrapbooking stuff. So hopefully I can like post, you know, the little backs, and so they can stick, because I have them in binders right now and I hate it and I can't get to them and all that. So I'm going to try something different, but this is actually really cool. And it was only 10 bucks, and it has these tissue papers in the middle. So 10 bucks is a really good deal for this, actually. My daughter wants one too. She's an artist and she wants one to draw on, but this one's fine. So I got that today. Also picked up these little folders for 2 bucks, which was a good deal, I thought. I got several packs of the We Are Memory Keepers for the Crop-A-Dile. Several packs for like $1. That one is really cool. I got some ribbon for a album I'm making. Also got these Spellbinders embossing pads. Now these work really great with the Fiskars pads. If you run them with the embossing plates from Fiskars and these, you can use your Fiskars in your Cuttlebug or your Sizzix or whatever, which is really nice, because I have a bunch of those and I don't really use them because, well, who's going to spend all the time to do that? Got some alcohol inks. Those were from Joann's. They were Joann's was having a 40% off all scrapbooking stuff. It's got some more glossy accents. Another ribbon. Some black distress. Some off-white cardstock. And I got, I found these, the embossing powder from Martha Stewart, and that was $3, $4. And this adhesive for $1 something. And more of the, those are the snaps. More eyelets. I'm in my daughter's room because it's got the best light. So, excuse the mess. I got this stamp, which I've been wanting forever. It's just like a crackle. But I think it's going to look really good over a lot of my projects. It'll make it look aged and stuff. So I really like that. Also, I got this little cardinal stamp, and it was $3.99, which is also a really good deal. And yep, that's about it. So thank you for watching.